Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fade out your videos in DaVinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be using keyframes, as with any gradual effect which you might be willing to put in your videos in DaVinci Resolve. So let me show you how that is done. Now as you can see, I'm in the edit page, and I'm going to select the footage that I want to fade out. And let's say I want to fade it out somewhere along the lines of 2 seconds before it ends. I want that to be the start point of the fade out. For example, let's say here. Now what you're going to want to do is go into composite in your inspector, and under composite you're going to want to click the diamond shape next to the opacity. Once you do that, you want to go all the way to the end, or to the point where you want your video to fade out, and then you're just going to slide the opacity all the way down. This is going to automatically create another keyframe. And now as you can see, if I start playing the video, once it reaches 14 seconds, which is 2 seconds about approximately before it ends, as you can see, it starts fading out gradually, and that's exactly the effect that we actually want to achieve. And it's as easy as that. You can even fade it in. For example, let me create a keyframe here at 12 seconds, go further a bit, opacity down, and then we can go a bit further again and opacity up. And now if I play it from 12 seconds, it's going to fade out until here, and it's going to fade back in around here. And that's pretty much all you need to know. You can use keyframes for any single option which has that sort of diamond shape, and you can use it very easily for any sort of gradual effect. And that's literally it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.